Everyone, we have got this Pilot V7 pen, so let's check it out. This is a pack of 2 pen and 4 cartridge. MRP is 180 and we got it from Amazon for 148. Link is given in the description box. In this pack you get 2 blue pen and along with them 4 free ink cartridge. So one pen cost us approx 25 rupees only. And this is blue color pen. You also get black and red color options. The pen looks decent, normal, and the cap feels a bit tight. The tip is 0.7 mm, quite fine and slim, and the feel in the hand is very comfortable. It's quite lightweight. While writing, it's extremely buttery smooth, and from the start to the end until the ink is about to run out, it gives consistently dark and clean handwriting. And there is no hassle of refilling. Just change the cartridge and start writing. The liquid ink level is clearly visible. Negatives, this is a pure liquid ink pen, so if your paper is bit thin like low GSM of rough notebook, the ink may bleed to the back. But overall at 148, this combo of 2 pen and 4 cartridge is a total paisa vasool and long lasting deal. The direct buying link is given in the description box. Subscribe for more such videos. Bye bye.